Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and delete your Facebook page. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and click or open up your Facebook page right here. If you cannot go ahead and do that, just go ahead and click on the account icon that we have in here, and make sure to go ahead and select the specific page. If you cannot go ahead and see it right here, just go ahead and see all profiles, then you should be able to locate your page. But what's inside your page right here, just go ahead and click on your profile icon, which is this one, and once inside, you can go ahead and see at the manage page, we have the professional dashboards, inside ad center, create ads, and settings. Just go ahead and click on settings, click on privacy, and inside privacy, just go ahead and click on Facebook page information. Now, inside Facebook page information, we have settings like access page information, download profile information, activity log, managing page information, and lastly, we have the deactivation and deletion. Just go ahead and click on view. And once inside, we have two options. We have the delete page and we also have the deactivate page. So if you want to go ahead and delete your page, just go ahead and click on the second one right here. Go ahead and click on continue. And if you want to go ahead and permanently delete your page, continue by clicking on continue. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.